What's up, you guys? It's time to beat the one y'all love to see. We're back with another video.
Today we're going to be doing another snack crate. The last one we did was from Ireland and this one is from Korea. So we're going to see what this one is all about. You think they're going to be good or nasty?
A little bit good, but some gonna be nasty, I think.
I think they all going to be nasty. Korea, I don't know. So, what comes in the box when you open it, you get a pack of stickers. And you get the infamous book. It says Korea on the outside. When you open it, it has a little mappy thingy and little facts about Korea. All restaurants deliver. They even come back for your dirty dishes. How did they do that here? And then you have the page that has everything in it. I don't know if you can see it. I got the mini box, but they have premium too. But I know I probably won't like most of the stuff. So you can sit that right here. So then you just, looks like this. Just open it and get a snack crate. Is this a sticker?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a snack crate sticker. You can have it.
Yeah.
Which one to try first? My love.
I'm gonna try this.
Oh, you will start off nasty. Okay, so she wants to try the Orion custard soft cupcake. And I have my son over here in the cut. He wants to try them. He doesn't want to be on video. He just wants to try the snacks. So what that is a golden sponge cake filled with flavor packed custard cream. That's gonna be it. You wanna try it? You wanna try it? It's like a cupcake.
Okay. Come on, get up here.
You do or you not? No, you don't wanna try it. Jesus.
I wish I could try it, but I can't.
You can try it. You want some?
Oh, look at my arm.
It's not gonna do nothing to your arm.
I know, but I can't move my arm.
You didn't even get the cream part. Here, try some of the cream. It's gonna be so nasty. It's good. But she took a big bite.
That cream is so good. It's not all, because I want some more. It's the cream part.
Mm-mm. It tastes like banana pudding. You want some? Let me sit some on the side just in case. No. It tastes like, kind of like banana pudding. See, this is what it is. Here he goes. Okay, so you like it? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Oh.
Okay, this is my pick. I'm gonna pick this. This is a choco pie with marshmallow filling.
Next.
And this is, you wanna try that one? This is marshmallow pies are adorned by all Koreans. They are regularly smuggled into North Korea where they are as good as cash. As good as cash? Okay. Hey, you ate that whole soft cake?
What is good?
Yeah, it ain't sure you can't get into it. This is what it looks like. Did you just lick your lips and stuff? Wanna try it?
Whoa.
Wanna try it?
That ain't good at cash.
It's not good as cash?
Mm-mm.
It's good.
No, but I got something to tell you.
Mmm.
Look, I got something to tell you.
What?
Every time something good to me, it's not good to you. When something good to you, it's not good to me.
This is good.
Let me try another bite.
It's just like a graham cracker with chocolate on it. We didn't get nothing to drink.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to try it? Leave your Band-Aid on. Here, sit down, Emma. Why did you take it off?
Cause I
Okay,
want to.
that was good. Thumbs up and thumbs down.
Thumbs in the middle.
In the middle. Okay. Okay, so it's your turn to pick.
I can't really see.
Just pick off the top. I had to stop for a second because I had to get me a drink because I realized some of this stuff is not going to be good. Okay, so what did you choose for
Oh, I chose
to go next?
the yellow thing. Where's the yellow thing?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, I don't know what, because that is not my language. So, Goshomi. It's wholesome wheat crackers with just a hint of sweetness. Yeah, y'all can't see that, that's a glare. So it's just crackers with a sweet taste.
Oh. Those like the crackers we eat.
Look like it.
Mmm.
It's not.
Mm.
It tastes like a...
Try to do this, but
That's definitely a thumbs down.
thumbs down. We both agree.
You wanna try this next?
Oh,
That was definitely nasty. It tastes kind of like... I mean, it's not nasty. It started off good, then it get nasty, then it get
good.
nasty.
Mom, can I say
So,
something?
what?
I thought that was like, you know how you get a box and it's full of that?
Oh, full of that. That's funny. So this is a Yugwa traditional rice cake.
Rice?
It's a sweet and crunchy cookie made with honey, flour, and toasted rice. Could you stop licking your lips like that?
Yeah,
Was you LL Cool J?
It sounds
So
good.
it's just a rice.
Christmas treat. Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
Ooh. I know. The first time we fixed that, it sounds, ugh.
It even feels weird. Like, it tastes like paper.
Right.
You know what it tastes like paper?
I do.
Ugh. That's a thumbs down. I mean, it's not. Yeah, never mind. So I'm gonna go with the stuff that I think is going to be extra nasty. So what does it look like? What does it look like?
Noodles.
So this is just a pack of noodles,
What?
but these are noodles that you're supposed to eat like chips.
But look on the back.
So you don't boil them or anything. These is Pushu.
What?
Pushu is, it's a, don't boil it. This ramen is meant to be eaten as a cracker. Check out the directions on the back. So it says, I don't know, where is that glare coming from? But it says, how to enjoy. Step 1, smash. Step 2, sprinkle spices any way you desire. Step 3, shake and enjoy.
And then open it and take it.
I gotta sprinkle the spices. Oh, this is really like a regular pack of noodles that we about to eat.
Oh, that's
Except you don't boil it. You gotta sprinkle it in there. It's definitely chicken flavor. I can smell it. Smell like chicken flavor.
And then shake it up, close it and shake
This
it.
is just like, hey, let's make some more money by just saying don't boil it.
Right.
Definitely chicken flavor.
Noodles, they're noodles. But Mom, no.
You're supposed to dance with it. You take it. Here, you take your shirt. You want some spices on it. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh. You're supposed to cook those. No, give me that. I know you didn't.
You want to cook them?
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Cook them. Cook them.
Girl, love her noodles. Nasty or not. It's your turn to pick.
Oh.
Nasty or not, she wait. You like them? As a chip? As a chip, no. They'd probably be good boiled. Something sour. How much you want to bet? She wants to try this.
It's a heart on it.
It says peach. I know it's something sour.
See?
Yeah, you hold it up. There you go.
Peach.
Okay, so that's a secum dalcum. Sour fruit chews similar to haichu from Japan.
From Japan. We know
This is from Japan. Oh, them noodles was nasty.
Right.
Yeah.
Then they just need to get cooked.
They just need to get cooked.
But let's eat it at the same time, actually.
Okay, we gotta learn. Korea don't play about like trying to open their candies.
Right.
But these look good.
Do not spit it out. Let's have a spit
I'm not
out.
gonna try it.
Let's have a don't spit out challenge.
Okay. I like peach though.
Mm-hmm.
They good.
That's gonna take us a while.
Mm-hmm. Is it
It's good. Sour.
supposed to be sour? Yep. Sour fruit too. What is on my head?
Your button.
I feel like something falling. Mmm.
Oh.
It's sour. Mm. Those are good though. I had to just chew my whole.
Mmm.
Oh, I like those. This is good.
Mmm. Where's they?
Look how my thumb go all the way back. In the back.
Mommy, where's they?
I get to choose. No. So what's next? Hold it up to the camera.
See, guys.
Okay. This is. I don't see it. Am I missing it?
No.
Oh, this thing? Yep. A shortbread cookie with coffee and cream flavored center. Oh, this is the green one. Oh,
Oh.
what's the red one though? I don't see the red one. Okay, so that's coffee and cream, and this is white torte. So we're trying a white torte then. This is about to be so nasty. Ugh.
Let me see.
Hold it up so they can see what it looks like. Hold it up. The other side, Jay. Nothing on that side. Is there something on that side? Oh, yeah. Go ahead, try it. Bite it. You ain't scared to take a bite out of crime, huh?
Mom, don't eat it all, because that's good.
Mmm. You nasty.
Oh.
Oh, it's not that good. I mean, it's not that bad.
I know.
It ain't that good for you to tear it up like that. Like, Jesus. You could have ate this one. Save one for your brother. So this is just the next one. This is the nasty one, I think. Coffee and cream.
That's good. I should have said
That was kind of
later.
good because it's shortbread. I like shortbread.
I should have said that for later.
There's another one in there.
Same one.
Mm-mm. Coffee. Oh, no, coffee. You like coffee, don't you?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Thumbs down. Dumpster
All the way down.
Dumpster all the way down.
Stomp it.
Right.
This
Ooh,
is
that
a
look
Choco
good.
Boy.
A Choco Boy.
Choco Boy. Choco.
That's what he look like? That's what he look like right here?
Yeah.
Want to see him?
So I guess it's on the box. It says, have fun with your friend Choco Boy. It's not in here. Oh, yes it is. Choco Boy has a chocolate cap on a crunchy biscuit. They got a lot of biscuity things.
We biting Choco Boy. Choco Boy. Can I just show him Choco Boy?
Mm-hmm.
Can you give me it? Can you give me it?
Oh,
Okay, guys, so that's what Choco Boy look like.
Okay, hair.
That's his hair?
Hair show. Okay, hair.
This is what his hair look like.
Okay,
Mushroom.
ready? 1, 2, 3.
This Choco Boy?
Girl, if you don't eat the thing.
Really, this Choco Boy? Mama.
Look good. Put them back here. Why you put them on the floor?
Oh.
Put 'em back. Oh, those are good. That's a thumbs up.
Hmm?
Your turn. We tried these already.
These are good.
Oh, thank gosh, she picked up something that I think I might like.
Hmm?
Pepero. Here, hold it up. While I read
Pepero.
it. So Pepero's white Pepero, delicious stick biscuits coated in cookies and cream.
That sounds
I
really
love
good.
cookies and cream. Cookies and cream, everything.
And with some Oreos in it.
Okay. Okay, girl. You're supposed to do it. Okay, girl.
Okay.
I think these, ooh, they look good. They look like pretzel sticks. One for you. They all broke though. Dos for me. Okay, ready?
Wait, cheers. No, not that bad.
Mm-mm. Dang, you hungry?
Cheers, girl.
I like them. Camera always stopping on me. I don't know why.
Right. Like,
Okay,
let me
we
get
got-
another one.
We only got 2 more things. Oh, those were really good. So the white Pepero sticks with the cookies and cream, they were really good. Yeah. So which one you want to try first? Okay, so this is. I gotta find it. Let me see.
Let me see. Out shoots.
I think it's a French pie. Fresh jam on top of a flaky and buttery pastry. We've included 2, apple and strawberry. So this is apple. And the other one is strawberry. This kind of gonna be like a toaster strudel.
I did this one.
Oh, no. If you like this, you like that one. A hard toaster strudel. Oh, I hate stuff like this. This is what it looks like on the inside.
It's like a breadish something.
A bread.
Look what's on it.
Mhm.
Oh.
We definitely making a mess. Mmm. This is good.
I don't know how you like that, but
Ew. The bread around it is good. I don't know about the inside. I'm kind of.
no, the bread around it is nasty.
I like it.
So the next one is what I wanted to
The
pick.
inside is good.
Out and out with it.
I like that. I mean, I wouldn't eat it all, but this is the strawberry one. Is you hungry? You keep licking your lips. What's wrong with you?
Because it looks so
Oh
good.
shoot, making a mess.
Mom, really?
Just like this part.
Don't bite my pet.
That tastes like a fruit roll up. Yeah. Doesn't it taste like a fruit roll up?
Mm-hmm.
So why you about to, oh, I thought you were about to spit it out.
I was.
Mmm. Shut up. I mean, after a while, it tastes nasty. But most of them were good. Some of them were not. Yeah, clean up this mess. But yeah. What you want them to do?
Comments down below if you like this video.
Like and subscribe. And we will be back with yet another video. Feature.
So I hope you like this video.
And we will see you again.
Peace.
We out. We out.
We out here.
We out. We out.
Hey.
Hey. Ew. Oh, let's do our kiss.
Oh, wait.
Dab on them.
Hey.